Thank you for continuing to stay home as we try to flatten the curve of the coronavirus. Today is a little bit different. We chose to film our dinner preparation as we were doing it. And what we had on hand were 3 different kinds of meat, a black pepper salami, chicken breast, and 2 bratwurst sausages. And from that, we've put together empty fridge fried rice. Hope you enjoy the video. Hi, I'm Michelle Marshall. I'm a chef and culinary nutrition expert. I'm also a wife and mother of 5. My goal is to teach others how to make delicious, nutritious food for their everyday lives. This is my empty fridge fried rice served with lemon garlic bok choy. In the comments below, please let me know what you put in your fried rice and be sure to like and share this video.